Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you a haul that I have done between Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Meijer's over the last 2 weeks. I've gone out 2 times in the last 2 weeks, and before that I really haven't been out hardly at all in the 6 or 7 weeks before that. So I kind of went crazy and I've got a lot of stuff. Now, when I did go out, it was for toilet paper or groceries, but while I was out, I was going to pick up some other stuff. And so I kind of went crazy when I was at these other stores shopping. I did go safely. I had a mask on and I had gloves on. So let's get going and I'll show you. Starting with this canister with this rooster on it from Dollar General for $3. I thought it was so cute. And then they had their Easter stuff 75% off. Now that was actually about a week and a half ago. It's probably 90% off now. But when I was there, I got it 75% off. So I got that little metal chick for $1. These little bunny ears I got for $1 a piece. And my husband's like, why on earth did you buy these? And I was like, for the dogs so I can take their pictures. And he just shook his head at me. But I thought they'll be great. So next year, I'm getting a picture of my dogs with bunny ears. This was the most expensive thing I purchased while I was out. The single most expensive thing. I love the scroll work on top. I love decorating in the patriotic colors. And I love birds. So I just adored this. It was $6, and like I said, that was the most expensive thing I got. Here I have this little set of 3 frogs. I thought maybe I could do a DIY with it. I thought they were really cute. They were $3. Now this pig, oh my gosh, I thought she was adorable. $3 for this little pig and the black and white bow on top. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm in love with the Mackenzie Child black and white plaid. So, loved her. These I picked up for $1 a piece. They're just styrofoam eggs on sticks. I got such a great deal on these. Look at how adorable these boxes are. They're the type with the magnetic closure. This one was $3 and I got it 75% off. And then they had this larger one that says farmhouse on it. And like I said, this is larger with the magnetic closure. And it's just an empty box, but I can put all kinds of stuff in there. And look at the 2 of them together. I'm going to show you both of them. This one was $5. The smaller one that said blessed was $3 together. They were $8. So between the 2 of them, I only paid $2 for the 2 of these boxes. They were so cute. Then I got this little Easter basket, and I love that it had this little gingham insert on it that you can take off and wash, and I just thought that was so cute. It was regularly $6, and again, I got it for 75% off. And then I picked up these plates. These plates were this just beautiful aquamarine color. I thought they were so pretty. And they're just this melamine plate. And they were $2 a piece. And with all the tablescapes we're doing, I just thought that they'd be really pretty. Now with these chargers, these galvanized steel chargers, I ended up going and grabbing 4 of these. And if I remember right, I think I paid $2.50 for each of these at Dollar General. Everything you've been seeing so far is Dollar General. Yeah, $2.50. And then this looks so Pioneer Woman, doesn't it? But I just thought that these were so pretty. And this is still at Dollar General. And these were $2 a plate. So again, I just really like those. Then you saw that I used those napkins on one of my centerpiece things that I made, and then I got these cardinals there as well. These cardinals were only $1 a piece. Now, the centerpiece I did with those napkins, I also have some little bluebirds that I purchased at the same time, and this was about a week and a half ago. So if you watch that, I'll go ahead and list that up above if you want to see that and see those little bluebirds. I only paid $1 for those as well. Then there's this little tobacco basket, and this was originally $12. Now, I would never have paid $12 for this originally. I don't think it's worth the $12. But for the 75% off being on their Easter table, I thought it was definitely worth $3. And look at this huge box, guys, that I purchased. Is this not so pretty? Look at the flowers on there. They're just gorgeous. I love this. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing with this, but I love this. And it's normally $8. Again, this was on their Easter table, so I got 75% off, so I paid $2 for this huge box. And then they had these cute little Easter signs. I thought these were really adorable. I don't know if I'll leave them like they are or if I'll go ahead and change them up and make them into something else. But I thought they were just really, really cute. And these signs were only $1 a piece, and I got them the 75% off, so I paid $1/4 a piece for them. And I only paid $1/4 a piece for these little bags of styrofoam eggs as well. And these are just some little mini eggs. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. If I'll just pack them away until Easter next year, or if I'll do some DIY with them, we'll see. Now we're switching over to Dollar Tree. All this came from Dollar Tree. Look how pretty all these glasses are. And I gotta tell you, I went crazy buying dishes at Dollar Tree. I think their stuff is so well made for only $1 a piece. I am just really impressed. Now, these glasses and the next ones I'm going to show you, these plastic ones, okay, they're plastic, but I really loved the color of these. And for my Cinco de Mayo tablescape, these were perfect. I absolutely loved them. And I use this little glass vase from there as well. A little bit later, I have a little yellow vase that I used on it as well. And I'll show you that in a little bit. And I'll go ahead and link my Cinco de Mayo tablescape up above so you can see how I used a lot of these dishes that I purchased from here. Now this is just some patriotic stuff that they had at Dollar Tree. They had quite a bit of it out already, and who knows how it's going to work, whether they're going to lift the lockdown or if we're going to still be in lockdown or if it's going to get better or worse. So I just decided to go a little bit crazy, and I bought a ton of this stuff as well. So if the lockdown lasts for really long, well, at least I'll have some stuff that I can craft with or do something with throughout the summer. Now, of course, I'm praying to God and believing that this is going to end really quickly, but if it doesn't, at least we'll have a few things to do something with. These little clip cups here, I use these also in my Cinco de Mayo tablescape. These, I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but I really like them. I've seen so many people be so creative with these. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I love that there's a little magnet on the back side. So we'll have to see. These I purchased actually because I needed them. I have a wall hanging that I need these little cups for, and I thought that having 6 of these cups would be enough, and I need to go get some more because 6 was nowhere near enough for what I needed. This vase I purchased because I really liked how it flared at the top. I've only seen the straight ones there. Now maybe they've had these for a long time, but my Dollar Tree is really small, so I don't get a lot of the stuff that a lot of you do who live in big cities and stuff. So maybe you've seen those before, but I was excited to see those. I also use these little teal candle holders on my Cinco de Mayo tablescape, and I thought they were so pretty. I loved the color for summer. And then these little yellow ones, I know I use these on my lavishly yellow tablescape. I may have used these on my Cinco de Mayo tablescape, I can't remember. But I just think these are really cute. I love these little tea light candles. When we're doing tablescapes, I love to put little candles around. You know, and when my husband and I are having a nice dinner, it's great to have a few candles lit. Now this is a little package of these 3 little paper fans. I wouldn't have purchased these, but my daughter's like, oh, you can do something with these, Mom. And I was like, what? And she's like, I don't know, you'll think of something. So I bought them, but I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. Now these little wreaths, I love making different wreaths, so these will definitely get used, but I don't know on what yet. I purchased a few packages of these gloves, and it says one size fits all. I gotta tell you, my husband was not happy with these. Every time he tried to put them on, they would rip. He didn't even get them like 3/4 of the way up, and they were ripping, and he thought these were just a piece of junk and would never recommend them. My hands are smaller, so I could put them on, and I didn't really have a problem with it. I think maybe part of it was the hair on the back of his hand, so just be aware of that if you decide to get those gloves at the Dollar Tree. Now I bought a few of these different scarves here. This colorful one is the one that I used on my Cinco de Mayo tablescape. And these other ones, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. We'll see, but I just love the colors. I thought they were really pretty. Now I did purchase like 3 different colors of these leis, and they had several colors there, but I just purchased 3, and these are what I used underneath my charger plates for my Cinco de Mayo tablescape. And like I said, they had a bunch of other colors. Like I'm pretty sure they had at least 2 different colors of purple and different blues. And this is just a gardening tool that I really needed. I need to get out there and get some gardening done. We've had a couple warm days here, but they're still calling for, we're going to get some more cold ones coming up. So, but I do need to get out there and get some gardening done. This is just some placemats that I purchased again at Dollar Tree. I got 4 of these red ones. And then these green and the coral color, I just picked up 2 of each of those. This is coral right here. I know it looks red, but it's actually coral, and I love this color green. I am loving the bright colors, and I'm sick of seeing white from snow. I am ready for some color, guys. Their stemware at Dollar Tree is so impressive. I love these smoky black glasses. They're so pretty. And these teal glasses or blue glasses. Absolutely love those. This is the other vase that I said that I used with my Cinco de Mayo centerpiece. Then I picked up some bowls. These are just some of their black bowls. I love the fact that we can go to Dollar Tree and get just what we want, and we don't have to buy whole sets. Now this orange bowl, I actually bought the plain orange bowl to go with one that I purchased last year. And I have to say this year's bowls were quite a bit smaller, and the ridges on the outside are not as defined as what the last year's ridges were. So my 2 orange bowls are definitely different from each other from this year to last year. And here you can just see all the different color plates I purchased, from black to teal to the navy blue. I just got a whole bunch of their plates. Now I know you guys have so many more colors at your Dollar Trees than what I had, but I tried to get at least 2 of other colors that they had at my Dollar Tree. Now we're switching over here to Walmart. I got this iridescent bowl and these cups from Walmart. I paid, I think it was $2.49 a piece for those. I got some clear plates at Walmart. I got these real pretty Pioneer Woman plates there. And when I went down their clearance aisle, they had this stoneware, and I thought these plates would be real pretty in the fall. So I went ahead and grabbed these. These were $2 a piece. This is just some plain white plates I picked up from there. These were also in the clearance section, and this is also some stoneware. And these have I don't know if you can tell, but that's a dark brown rim around the outside edge. And then I picked up just 2 gold chargers. Like I said, it's generally just me and my husband. So for us, 2's plenty. I do have whole sets of chargers and regular plates and dishes and stuff for when my whole family is here. I have a few different sets for 12 for like the holidays and stuff. But for our everyday stuff, I generally just pick up enough for my husband and I, because it's generally all that's here. Now this, I just grabbed some material, so if we needed to make masks or if I wanted to do something else, I would have some. This right here is just a vinyl tablecloth in the bright orange. And then I also picked up this cloth tablecloth that was in just plain white, just so I'd have a little bit of everything that I could put with something and do something with. Now this is the only thing that I purchased at Meijer's were these towels, kitchen towels, and I use these on one of my tablescapes. I believe it was my lavishly yellow tablescape. So I know there's still some things I forgot to show you guys. Like, I know I bought probably 10 or 15 cans of spray paint, so that if we're stuck home and we can't do anything else, I can at least go out and do some fun projects and stuff. Hopefully this is all going to end really soon, guys, and we'll be back to doing our normal routines before long. Just stay safe. Remember to wear your masks, wear gloves, keep yourselves healthy, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.